One of the most annoying consequences of a DUI-related conviction is being required to install an ignition interlock device. Now, fortunately, for a first-time DUI, you would not have to install an ignition interlock device unless the allegation that your blood alcohol level was 0.18 or higher was found to be true. However, if you were convicted of a felony DUI or a vehicular manslaughter or a DUI involving death or great bodily injury, you could be required to install an interlock device in your vehicle. And the period of time could be up to 5 years on a felony or up to 6 months on a misdemeanor. Obviously, the best way to avoid this consequence of having to install the interlock device would be to win your case or to plead to a lesser charge, such as a DUI with a blood alcohol below 0.18 or a reckless driving.